Welcome to Get Fit, Get Active.
Hi guys, how are you? Get ready to get fit and get active. We are on lower body today. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you're new here, this is a whole series of 7-minute Get Fit, Get Actives, especially for you if you are on your fitness journey, you're just starting out. Maybe you've had surgery, an operation, maybe you have been sedentary for a while for various reasons and you want to start at ground zero. This is the series for you, and we are doing a workout every single day. Once you start to get fitter, stronger, feeling good, you can sandwich some of these workouts together, maybe do 2 or 3 in a row. That would be awesome, wouldn't it? We are going to do lower body today, all standing. Now if you struggle with standing work, grab a chair so that you can do some seated, some standing and some supported, and you will get fitter and stronger the more you do these workouts. So my friends, are you ready? Let's do some lower body. Step back. Now think about your posture. I want you to contract your core muscles, bring your shoulders back and down, and let's start off. 7 minutes, here we go. A single knee lift. So whenever you're doing your lower body training, and when we're standing up, we are training our balance, our stabilizer muscles. We are training in a really functional capacity because this is how we move as humans. So that's how we are training today. We are improving your lower body strength and functionality. So just single knee lift. So keeping your hands on your pelvis. Let's go, single knee. And you can always hold the wall or hold a chair. There you go, one more. Now take the leg out to the side so it's out. And this is hip abduction. Here we go, out. That's it. And we're moving around. This is your lumbopelvic area, your lower back. That's it. Lovely, 2 more. Good, 1 more. Now take that leg behind you, just lean forward. Lean in. Now you feel that in your lower back, so you could lean the body weight forward. Try and keep the hips still. Again, you could hold onto your chair. So there you go. Let's say that's level 1. 1 more. Now with your right leg, I want you to do a knee circle and a knee circle just for the hips. Again, if you can hold your arms out wide, and there's the balance. That's it. Good, circle. 1 more. Go back again to your knees. Single knee, change. Now we're going to do 4 single knees, and then we're going to do a squat. Here we go. Now you can keep your hands on your shoulders, hands in front, or hands down by your side. Now lift up onto your tiptoes. Reach up, release, onto your tiptoes. There you go. So it's ankles, and then as we squat, we just use the knees and the hips. So why is it important to squat? Because we do so much squatting in everyday life. We have to squat to sit down on the toilet, don't we? We have to squat to sit down on the chair and get up from the chair, which is why we do our squats in our lower body training. Here's 4. Got to keep those knees moving. Good, 1 more. Ready, onto your tiptoes. Here we go. Lift up and release. That's it, you can do it. Now we're going to put all those movements together. Here we go. Are you ready? Single knee. Single knee. So we do 4. Knees up as high as you can. Good, now squat. 4. Sit down, just about to sit down on a little chair. And then you change your mind. Now onto your tiptoes. Lift and lower. Just like this. 1 more. Now take the legs to the side. Here we go. So it's side, release. Good. And again, side to side. 1 more. Squat again. Here's your 4. 3. Good. 2. 1 more time. Onto your tiptoes. All the way up. You've got it again. Last time. Now take the hip back. Lean forward into your hip extension. There you go. Feel it in slightly in your lower back. Use your leg, use your hand to balance. Squat down for 4, 3, and 7 minutes is all it takes. Here we go. And even if you are, maybe you're working at home, you're at your desk, you could just get up every couple of hours and do one of these 7-minute workouts. Now hip circles, 1, 2, 3, one more. Now we're going to take a wider squat together. How does that feel? One more just for 4. Now up onto your tiptoes, and again. Fab, that's it. Now we're going to balance with your left hand on your chair if you're using it. Lift, extend, in and down. 2 squats. That's it. Again, the other side. Knee, 2, 3, 4. 2 squats down. Good. Again, from the top. Single knee. Got to make it shorter now. 2 knees, 2 squats. Good. Up onto your toes. There we go. Take it out to the side. So it's right leg to the side. 2 squats. 1 more. Onto your tiptoes. Lift. Good. Now leg behind. Lean forward. Hip extension, 2 squats. Good. Up we go. Heel lift. Release. Good. Let's do 2 more. Then we'll do the hip circles. Are you ready? Go. Circle. 2 more circles. Last one. Yeah, yes, yes. 2 squats. We are so close now. Calf raise. 1 more. Now side squat. You can do this. 1 more. Lift the knee extension. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just single knees. Knees a little bit higher. Take it out to the side. Lean forward, hips. And there you go, shake it out. There you go, lower body, hip strength and mobility. Let me know how you get on in the comments. Definitely like and subscribe. Do some of the videos, we'll link to them. But please put a comment below and let me know how you get on. And I'll see you in the next video.
Remember to like and subscribe.